Giving back to your community feels good. Whether it's sponsoring a local sports team, supporting a food bank, or funding a scholarship, community involvement for auto repair shops is a powerful way to make an impact and build relationships. But here's the challenge. How do you promote your auto repair shop's community involvement without coming off as self-serving? Some shop owners hesitate to post about their contributions because they don't want it to look like they're bragging, and I get it. Nobody wants to be that guy who makes every good deed about himself. At the same time, not sharing the ways you support your community is a mistake. Why? Because the organizations you support need the visibility just as much as they need the donations. If you share the right way, you're not just talking about your shop, you're amplifying their cause. Let's talk about how to market your auto repair shop's community involvement in a way that feels natural, authentic, and is beneficial for everyone involved. Every auto repair shop's marketing strategy should focus on trust, customer loyalty, and reputation management. But you can't just sit back and wait for it to happen. Getting involved in your community does three things. Number one, it builds trust. People want to support businesses that give back. Number two, it creates deeper connections. You're not just a shop, you're part of the community. Number three, it attracts great employees. Many people want to work for a business that makes a difference. But here's the kicker. If nobody knows what your shop is doing, it doesn't help your business or the cause. And that's why an effective auto repair social media strategy is crucial. The key? Share your community involvement the right way. Make gratitude the focus, not your business. One of the easiest ways to make a post feel authentic is to shift the focus away from yourself and onto the organization, the mission, or the people being helped. Instead of saying, "We donated $1,000 to the local food bank today," try this instead. "We're grateful for the chance to support Our Daily Bread Food Bank. The work they do in our community is incredible, and we're honored to be part of it." When using social media to grow your auto repair business, make sure your photos and captions highlight the cause, not just your shop. Include the organization's logo, the volunteers, or even the event setup instead of just focusing on your business's branding. And tell the story behind the cause. Why did you choose this particular charity, event, or sponsorship in the first place? There's always a story, and telling that story makes your involvement genuine and relatable. Maybe your shop supports a cancer research fundraiser because a team member is a survivor. Maybe you sponsor a Little League team because you played ball as a kid. Maybe you donate to a clean water charity because of a life-changing mission trip. Now you're not just saying we donate, you're inviting your audience into the story, the reason why you chose to get involved the way you did. And celebrate the organization, not your contribution. If your shop supports a local food bank, instead of making the post about your donation, make it about what the food bank is accomplishing. An example post would be, "Did you know Our Daily Bread provides over 5,000 meals a month to families in need? We're proud to support them in their mission to fight hunger. If you'd like to help, visit ourdailybread.com to learn more." And make sure you tag the organization's social media account so they can reshare your post, increasing engagement and visibility. And involve your team and your customers. Your team members and customers love being part of something bigger. Instead of making your community involvement about your shop, make it about the people who helped make it happen. Did your staff volunteer in an event? Highlight their efforts. Did a customer donate alongside you? Give them a shout out. Capture short video testimonials from team members or customers about why they love supporting the cause. This is an authentic way to market your shop while keeping the spotlight on the community. As Shop Marketing Pros, we support Our Daily Bread Food Bank, hence the references throughout this video. Our team loves the people we deliver food boxes to each month. They've developed actual relationships with those people, and they look forward to seeing them each month. Often, the people we deliver to, they'll give us these gifts like little bags of candy or crafts they've made. It's about as authentic as it gets. Space out your community posts. If every other post on your auto repair shop's social media is about how much you give, it starts to feel less like authentic community involvement and more like self-promotion. Balance it out with a mix of content. Educational posts, such as car maintenance tips or industry news. Customer highlights, such as reviews, testimonials, and before and after photos. Behind-the-scenes moments, such as team culture and shop updates. And then occasional community involvement posts. Keeping your community involvement posts occasional but impactful prevents your audience from tuning them out. So let's recap the right way to share your community work. The wrong approach? Look at us. We're amazing at giving back. The right approach? We love being part of this mission, and here's why it matters. At the end of the day, it's not about you. It's about the impact you're making. So go ahead and promote your community involvement. Just do it the right way. Make gratitude the focus. Tell the story behind the cause. Highlight the organization's impact. Involve your team and customers. Space out your posts. Your shop has the power to make a difference. Don't be afraid to share that impact. Just keep the spotlight where it belongs. If you want help with marketing your auto repair shop, at Shop Marketing Pros, that's what we do. We help auto repair shops stand out through authentic, relationship-driven marketing. We make sure your shop gets visibility without ever feeling forced. If you want to learn more, schedule a free discovery call today, and let's take your shop's marketing to the next level. Now go out there and fill those bays while making your community a better place.